We are looking at how to pronounce these two words. They may look fairly similar, but they have a different function and they are said differently, more importantly. So how do you go about pronouncing them? The top word is the verb to breathe. Breathe. So a long E sound here. Breathe. I am breathing. He breathes. Breathes. He's breathing. He breathes. Yeah, he breathes. Now, the bottom word is a noun talking about someone's breath. Breath is how you say the bottom word. So breathe is the verb. Breath is the bottom word. And now you know the noun. Breathe, breath. More videos here on how to pronounce more interesting words in English that many mispronounce. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.